Sir, sir,
Prithvi.
sir, my answer is remaining.
Okay, you haven't spoken. That is why I went.
Yes, sir, the meeting was ended.
Okay, you do it again. Please speak again. Okay.
So this, if we move the bishop to a4, after that, any you say that they will move the pawn one step ahead.
Right.
So next time, if we kill, they will kill our bishop.
Okay. Okay. Fine. 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 Prithvi, what you will do? This or this? Simply tell me this or this.
Sir, A4.
Okay. Now who is remaining? Don't give me the reason. Nihar, wait, Siddhi. Riddhi, wait. Okay, Riddhi, tell me. Riddhi, tell me. Riddhi,
Bishop in e3, it will move in a4.
why?
Because rook. Or can I tell because we will get checked.
Okay, I will tell you. All of you, this is, I purposely did this problem, created this problem. Here, see, both are equal, both your knight, both. But there are two reasons, and both the reasons are equally important. Why you should do this and why not do. Here, after attacking, if this comes over here, you still have to kill this because this pawn will come over here and there will be a double pawn created. And creating a double pawn in opponent's game is good for you. You understood? Create a double pawn in opponent's game, not in your game. You create it purposely. So this is what you have created. So this is reason number one. Second reason is much stronger. If you come over here and if support is there, you still have another attack left. Now the attack is there with the pawn and not with the second attack and with the smaller piece. Because since the support is from very small piece, so you can't bring another attack. For example, this. Yeah, मैं और एक attack कर रहा हूँ. So that is bad. Not better than this at least. Not bad. Second attack is always good, but not better than this. If you have got the queen, you bring it over here. Afterwards, black plays anything, say anything, this over here. Then you kill this, they kill this, and you also kill this. So you get one extra pawn. So that is why this second attack is good. But if second attack is pawn, it is much better because you are getting that piece free comparatively. Because afterwards, after this moves over here, you get this, take this, you get this. So you get the horse free. Pawn for pawn is equal. If you can attack that king pawn, इसका मतलब एक मैं अलग तरह से बोलता हूँ. आपके क्लास में कोई एक लड़का या लड़की है, she or he is bullying you, supposing, बस बहुत जन को harass करते हैं. So one fine day you decide among you, यार 4-5 जन मिलके उसको दे धनाधन करेंगे. Now उसको मारने का है तो हर एक जन जाके अकेले जाके मार के आएगा तो मतलब नहीं है, वो सबको दो डालेगा. अच्छा, 4-5 जन एक साथ भी गए तो भी चांसेस ऑफ यू विनिंग इज आल्सो लिटिल डिफिकल्ट. कांट से हु विल विन. बट आपने उसको किसी तरह ट्रैप करके फंसाया और उसको पिन किया. पिन किया मतलब बेंच को बांध दिया रस्सी से. तो बाद में क्या है, छोटा से छोटा भी जो लड़का रहेगा या लड़की रहेगी वो जाके उसको एक स्लैप करेंगे तो भी चलेगा, दे धनाधन. उसको तो पिन किया, वो कुछ नहीं कर पाएगा. So here it is the same concept. When you pin your opponent, now you can do anything till it is unpinned. Na? You can do anything or you can keep the position like this only. You move any other things. ये तो कहीं से हिलने वाला नहीं है, पकड़ के रखा है उसको, चाहता है. The moment this moves, you have to kill this. Otherwise, वो छूट जाएगा, छूट गया. जब तक वो अनपिन नहीं करता है तब तक तो पोजीशन वैसे रखने दो. हम लोग बोलते हैं झाकली मुठ 1.25 लाखाची. So this is very important aspect of the game. So you will remember these things. I told you 2 things today. One is making double pawn and one is किसी को मारना है तो उसको पहले पकड़ के रखो, बाद में मारो, उसको खुला मत छोड़ो. Both things for chase purpose. तो बाहर किसी को पकड़ोगे और उसको मारोगे तो ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. It is for chase, I am telling you. Okay, everybody, thumbs up. दुर्गा, पुढे गेली दुर्गा. दुर्गा परत कालचार का पाऊस सुरू झाला आमच्याकडे ठाण्याला. एवढा जोरात
आमच्याकडे पण वारा आहे.
प्रचंड पाऊस आहे, प्रचंड. काल तर म्हणजे बाबा 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 घाबर. आमच्याकडे खाली एक भली मोठी ग्लास डोर आहे बिल्डिंगला. ती अख्खी ग्लास डोर असते ना खाली जनरली सोसायटी मध्ये, ती अख्खीच्या अख्खी तुटली वाऱ्याने, धाड दिवशी. एवढा वारा होता. आता आता देखील काय असा तो धाड 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 यायला सुरुवात झाली. ओके, ठाण्यात वी आर एन्जॉईंग. तुमच्या नगरला किती पडतो देव जाणे. ओके, सो वी विल मूव टू अवर प्रॉब्लेम्स. नेक्स्ट, white to move and move the piece to set up the pin. Come on. What will you move?
Sir, can I tell?
Yes, yeah.
Sir, the rook in h4 will move to h7.
But here this, this is setting up a pin. But is this a good pin? It is not at all a very good pin because the king is involved. That is true. But king can come over here, this place or this place or this place, not this place, but this place, unpinning this bishop and giving support to the bishop. So not a very good pin. not a very good pin. अब ये problem क्यों दिया है पता नहीं, but not a very good pin. कभी कभी होता है ऐसा. चलो, white to move and set up the pin. Okay, Ranveer, tell me. Aditya, tell me. Are you able to listen?
Sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, Aditya. Yeah, Ranveer.
Sir, काही ऐकायला येत नाही.
ऐकायला येतच नाहीये.
Hello.
ऐकायलाच येत नाहीये.
Oh. Sir, can I tell? Sir, I can't also hear.
Aditya.
Sir, I can't hear.
Who? Aditya? रिद्धी?
Sir, मी ऐकू नाही शकतोय.
बरं, आदित्य बोलतोय ऐकू नाही शकत. आदित्य तू काय कर, तू बाहेर पड, म्हणजे त्याच्यातनं लॉग आउट कर आणि परत लॉग इन कर.
Sir, can I tell?
येस रिद्धी.
So, rook in E2, it will move in F2.
No, it is White's turn. It is White's turn. Neha,
Sir, can I say?
No, Dev, you have already told. I am just looking who has not told yet. Samia.
Sir, the queen in H4 will move to G5.
Well, that is a pin. That is a pin. Good. I appreciate. I didn't realize that is a pin at all. So what you are saying is this. Absolutely good. But here, if this is pin, you say, if this moved, this bishop is supported. So there is no use of that pin. You must have the use of the pin. Particularly the piece which is behind should be unsupported. Then it would be easier. There is only,
Sir.
What you are doing is not pinning, it is you are attacking this piece.
Sir, काही ऐकायला येत नाही.
अरे मेसेज पाठव, मेसेज पाठव एक मिनिट. मी जरा
Sir, ऐकायला येत नाही. Sir, मी रिजॉइन करू का?
हां थांब जरा.
Hello.
हां.
Hello.
रणवीर.
Hello.
हां. येतंय तुझं ऐकायला येतंय.
Sir,
Sir, can I say the answer?
Yes.
sir, the queen can move to F6.
हा सर, आता येतं ऐकायला. रिजॉइन केलं.
Okay. Can move to F6. This is not a pin. This is a check and fork. This is not a pin. Pin means two pieces in line and then your piece should be there. This is the pin.
So they should be on one side only.
Yes. Then it is a pin. If there are two different sides, it becomes a fork. See, pin का मतलब क्या है? कोई भी जगह से नहीं हिलेगा. You understand it? So here this cannot move, then it is a pin, good pin, and when king is involved, it is the best pin. And छोटा piece आगे, बड़ा piece पीछे. That is the criteria of the pin. But here, what move you said, queen to f6 is the best, because king will move over here and next queen will come to g7 checkmate. So that was a good move. I wouldn't give the pin. I would give the check only. Come on, 5 problems more. 6 problems more. Black to move. Now pin. Remember, it is pin and it is not a fork.
कशी देशील ती?
Here the correct answer is Queen B8. Now Queen could have come to B6 and give check and take this. So the better option, if asked, is giving check when you get this always and not pinning. Black to move a piece to set up the pin. Ah, very nice problem.
Sir, can I tell?
Yes.
Sir, the rook, black rook in E8 will move to E3.
Correct. And not this. See, this also can come over here with the support of this check. So this will move down and then you can kill this. But in the process, what will happen? This pawn will kill this, promote to queen, and almost it is white will win because white gets the queen. So this rook and check is not good. And further, we have seen what we are looking at. We are looking at the pin. So this is correct one. Next. White to move. Small piece ahead and bigger piece later behind. Here there are this queen also can give pin. See, this is pin. But again, bigger piece, small piece ahead, this bigger piece behind. But this piece and this piece is equal. So this pin is ineffective, not effective. The correct pin is this. अभी ये भी हिलेगा तो भी ये मिलेगा, ये हिलेगा तो ये मिलेगा, और क्या? What you are losing is a smaller piece. तो जितना स्मॉल पीस पिन करेगा उतना अच्छा है. Right to move. You have to win the material. Huh? Winning material is important.
Sir,
Hmm?
can I tell?
Who is that, Riddhi? Yes.
Queen
Yes, Riddhi.
A3, queen and A3, it will move in A7.
Queen in A3 will move to A7. But this is a good thing. Okay, two pieces in line, that is true. But this rook will attack, na? So when you have to pin rook, it should be slanting pin.
Sir,
And then you have to pin
sir,
the bishop, it should be straight. Got it? So this is a bad pin. Yes, anybody else?
Sir,
No, Sia.
sir, can I say?
Dev.
Sir, the queen will move to A1.
Perfect. Here, this is also a pin, but here the place is not safe because the bishop knight is there. So this is safe. Now both are in one line and slanting. For attacking rook, you cannot attack straight. You have to attack slanting. Otherwise, rook will attack. Okay. In reality, also, if you go for the shikar, hunting, and in hunting, if you want to hunt elephant, you can't hunt it from the front. Very, very dangerous. You have to hunt from sideways. Okay, even for a wild boar, you can't hunt from the front. Tiger also, you can't hunt. It should be from the sideways. Otherwise, that will attack you instead of you attacking them. Black to move.
sir,
Yes, Riddhi.
can E1 rook,
Huh?
it will capture rook.
Capture the knight and give the pin. This is a good pin. Very good. Very good. What she is saying is this. Okay. But there is a better pin available on the board. This is good.
Sir,
There is
can
a
I
better.
say?
Who is that?
Sir, Durga.
Durga. Yes, Durga.
Sir, the queen will move to C4.
That is also very good. But here, again, queen is giving attack to queen. So,
Sir,
if queen takes queen,
sir,
then
sir, can I say again?
yes.
Sir, the bishop will come to C4.
Yeah, this is correct. Because smaller the piece is better. Bigger piece you have to keep backside. So this is the correct pin. Now if this kills, you can kill back. And if it doesn't kill, then you are going to kill. Now this is the position, is very bad position. See, this cannot move and this cannot move. Both cannot move. So if now white plays any pawn, what black can do? Black should not kill this. Black should kill this. ये कहाँ जा रहा है भागे? कहीं नहीं जा रहा है. जब तक पिन है तब तक रहो वैसे ही. कुछ नहीं कर पा रहे. हाँ, the moment moves the king, ये pawn अगर आगे किया and बाद में ये आगे किया, तो that means it is unpinned. Then you can kill.
सर
Understood?
5 वाली.
हाँ बाळा, एक अजून दोनच प्रॉब्लेम राहिलेत. ते कंप्लीट करू आपण. हाँ, पटापट होतील. 2 प्रॉब्लेम. कम ऑन, फास्ट फास्ट. ओके ओके, 5चा असेसमेंट आहे का? ओके, बाय 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 बाय. असेसमेंट आहे ना 5चं? ओके 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 ओके. We will complete these problems in next session and we will start 4.
ओके सर.
आणि from
Yes,
next
sir.
Monday onwards it will be 3:50, not 4 o'clock. Okay.
म्हणजे ह्या मंडेला
हा
या मंडेला 4 वाजताच असेल.
नाही 350. इट इज 350 ओनली. 350
मीन्स कमिंग मंडे नो.
हा कमिंग मंडे. सगळ्यांना चालेल ना 350? 10 minutes
हो
little
मला
early.
चालेल.
Yes.
हो चालेल.
Yes.
मला चालेल.
At 3:50 there are my classes.
समियाचा क्लास कसला क्लास आहे?
4-5.
Till it is 4 o'clock. हा चेंज करायचं.
सर 4-5 पर्यंत आहे ती सांगते.
अच्छा ती 4-5 पर्यंत येईल का? समिया ठीक आहे. मी रेकॉर्डिंग करणार पहिले 15 मिनिटाचं तर मिळूनच जाईल तुला. आणि डोंट वरी. हा recording will be there. So after finishing you just see the recording again at your leisure.
मग सर नेक्स्ट क्लास मंडेलाच आहे ना आता?
हो मंडेलाच आहे.
ठीक आहे सर. 3:50 ला मी येतो लॉग इन.
एनिवे व्हॉट्सअपवर टायमिंग कळवला जाईल तुम्हाला.
ओके सर.
ओके या
ओके.
बाय बाय.
Bye sir. Bye sir.
Bye, sir.
बाय सर.
बाय
Bye.
Bye
Bye,
sir. Bye sir.
बाय.